I'm going to show you a couple things I found a couple years ago, and they're kind of different. Hold on just a moment. It says Nyler's Delicious Pepsin Gum. It's made of aluminum, and there's a scratch on the back which says 1904. I don't believe that, but you never know. This one is called the Union Pacific Luck Piece, and on the back, I'll read it and then show it. A sample of the aluminum in the new Pacific Union. A sample of the aluminum in the new Union Pacific train built by Pullman Car and Manufacturing Company, Aluminum Company of America, and there's a shield. And I'll show you close-ups of these two. I almost forgot about another one that I found in I think 2007 in Winslow, Arizona, at the house I was living at, in the backyard next to the sidewalk, about 7 inches deep, with my Bounty Hunter Pioneer XP metal detector. Woodworkers of the World Insurance Society witness coin. And I'll show you some close-ups of that too.